I don't think people understand just how cute this cat is. Get ready to smile. Did you know that cats sometimes talk to their owners by bringing them gifts? Yep. While it might be surprising to find a toy or even a small animal at your feet, this behavior is your cat's way of communicating care and sharing with you. In the wild, cats bring prey back to their family. And by offering you these gifts, your cat is treating you like part of their inner circle. It's their cute, albeit quirky, way of saying, I care about you. So next time you find a little surprise from your furry friend, remember it's just their adorable way of showing love. Like, comment and subscribe for more fun cat facts. Catch you in the next one.